Hello and welcome. Today we are going to focus on being relaxed. Not just feeling relaxed, but being relaxed on both the physical and conceptual level. In particular, we are going to focus on letting go of any tension that you may have in your mind. Allowing yourself the opportunity to be completely free of thought and expectation. As well as let go of all the tension you may have been feeling inside you. So that you can be completely relaxed. Completely at one with yourself and your mind. So that you can be truly present and aware. Not only with your own mind, but also your body as well. There is nothing to question. Nothing to think about. All we are doing is remaining as relaxed as our body and mind will allow us. And I'll let you explore this feeling of relaxation on your own, within your own space. If you find your mind wandering off during this exercise, that's okay. Just gently remind yourself of what we are trying to achieve here. To live and exist without tension. To let go of everything in your mind. So you can be present with yourself. Remaining calm, without thought, without expectation, and to understand that you are capable of feeling relaxed. You simply have to allow yourself the opportunity to be free. And if you find your mind wandering off during this exercise, that's okay. Just gently remind yourself to focus back on being relaxed. And that brings us to the end of today's session. Thank you for listening. I wish you best of luck with your day.